कहीं और बैठ गया मैं, ये तो इसमें ये तो
आरती पाठशाला कर পরে হবে না না আরতি পরে হবে যেটা দিতে হবে আজকে একটু বিশেষ তিথি তো আমাদের মধ্যে করা এই বিশেষ তিথি থাকে সেটা না হলো
They were speaking about Arati. No, it will be later because today is special. Thank you, Prabhuji.
वंदे गुरुपददत्तं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यं प्रभुं वन्दे
ये चेक करके बता देना, वो फिर से टिश्यू पेपर लगाना होगा तो
वन्दे राधिका चक्रवर्तं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां कविवास्मि कविवास्मि नजमानि दयानां इति चिन्तामि देहाति तमनयामि श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
First of all, my Gurudev Nityalila Pravishtom Vishnupad Ashtottar Sachi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nityalila Pravishtom Vishnupad Ashtottar Sachi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. I offer my respectful, humble obeisances. Afterwards, Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottar Sachi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and Param Pujyapad Tridandi Bhakti Vedanta Dandi Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Tridandi Swami Bhakti Vedanta Shant Maharaj, and presented all the Vaishnavis. I offered my respectful, humble obeisances. Today is very super excellent day. Where we have presented in this temple. The temple name is Radharaman Gaudiya Math. We have presented here. The name of the place is Sri Radharaman Gaudiya Math. We are present here for listening Harikatha. Especially today, Devadidev, Mahadev. You will listen about Mahadev. In the scriptures, in the Srimad Bhagavatam, it is mentioned Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu. Among all the Vaishnavas, the topmost is Devadidev, Mahadev, Shivji. Why? Why Shivji is given so much respect? There is a reason. How he is serving Lord, nobody else can do that service. what to speak about the human being. Demigods even cannot serve the Lord. It's not possible for them. Because in the scriptures it is mentioned, the person who will serve, so that glorification increase, the glories of that person increase.
কৃষ্ণ ভজনের নারী জাতি পুরাণ কৃষ্ণ ভজনের জাতি পুরাণ বিচার কি
In Krishna Bhakti, there is no thinking of
লোকে শান্ত ভজন মানে তো এই
জাতি
মাওয়া নিয়ে জপ করবে
caste.
ঘুরে বেড়ানো
There is no thinking of caste. There is no consideration of caste, the place, and time. But important is seva, service. I'm sometimes telling Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada words. You should not chant holy name. What you should do?
হরিনাম করবে
You should not chant holy Naam Seva.
হরিনাম করবে
You should not chant holy names. Naam Seva.
হরিনাম সেবা
You should do Harinam Seva.
করেছিলাম
I told somewhere place, and some people
মহাপ্রভু বলছেন নাম
were,
জপ
were saying bad, that Mahaprabhu said that you should chant holy names, and you are saying opposite.
হরিনাম করবে
You should not chant holy names. What I said first, you are listening that. You should listen what I'm saying in second. They didn't listen. They just listen first part.
বাকিটা
The second part they doesn't listen. They didn't listen.
কতগুলো লোক রয়েছে
The people become angry.
ঠিকভাবে শ্রবণ করেন
So the people who are not listening properly,
তারা বিরোধ করে রাগ করে।
so they are doing offenses.
আমি আমি বলছিলাম কৃষ্ণ প্রভুপাদ বলছেন
I'm not saying this. This is Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada saying. Naam Seva. You should do Naam Seva. You should not eat prasad. What you should do?
সেবা
You should do prasad seva.
হয় সকল প্রপঞ্চ আমাদের বৈষ্ণব ভাষাটা রয়েছে একটা মাধুর্যপূর্ণ সেবা আশা করি
In our Gaudiya thoughts, they have Madhurya Bhav, Madhurya mood.
সাধারণ লোক সেখানে বুঝতে পারে
The ordinary people cannot understand that. They oppose.
নাম সেবা করবে প্রসাদ সেবা
You should do Naam Seva, Vaishnav Seva, Prasad Seva.
বৈষ্ণব ধর্মকে সব
In Vaishnav Dharma, it is mentioned Seva, Naam Seva, Vaishnav Seva.
আমাদের শিবজি
So that's why the Shivji,
কৃষ্ণের যত সেবা করেছেন
how much he have served to Krishna, nobody else can do that.
মহাদেবকে বলা হয়
So that's why Mahadev is known as the topmost Vaishnav.
কেন মহাদেবকে
Why?
এই জন্য ভাগবতে বললেন
In the Srimad Bhagavatam it is mentioned, among all the Vaishnava, the topmost is Shambhu Mahadev. Why? He is satisfying Krishna, he is serving Krishna in all aspects. He is fulfilling all the desires of Krishna.
ওষুধের মারণ পীড়ন ধ্বংস আদি এসব কার্য কে করে? এই মহাদেব
So killing of demons, who is doing? Fighting with the demons, who is doing? Mahadev is doing that.
এই যে আমাদের কিছু এই যে শ্রবণ করলেন তুমি সর্বেশ্বরেশ্বর ভজন রূপ
So you just now heard this kirtan. Tumi Sarveshwar. Oh Krishna, you are everything.
তুমি সর্বেশ্বর
Oh Krishna, you are everything. With your desire, Jiva is taking birth and dying.
আবার কৃষ্ণের ইচ্ছাতে ব্রহ্মা সেখানে সৃষ্টি
And
করে
as per the Krishna desire, Brahma is doing creation. As per the desire of Krishna, Vishnu, he is taking care of the Jivas. And then as per the desire of Krishna, Shivji, he is doing destruction.
এগুলো তত্ত্ব সিদ্ধান্ত
These are the Tattva Siddhant.
এই যে মহাদেব
Mahadev,
হ্যাঁ তিনি সাধারণ না
He's not ordinary person.
যে এমনকি যে মায়াবাদ প্রচার
He is preaching Mayavad
জীবকে মোহিত করে
to attract the people.
মায়াকে নিয়ে যাও এটা কে করেছে
Who is doing that?
মহাদেবী
Mahadevi is doing that.
स्वयं देवी पार्वती महादेव के बोलने
Parvati Devi told to
আপনি তো পরম বৈষ্ণব
Mahadev, you are topmost devotee, you know all the tattvas.
কিন্তু আপনি
But
এই কলিযুগে
in Kali Yuga,
মূর্তি শঙ্করাচার্য হয়ে
but you become Shankaracharya in this Kali Yuga. Why you are spreading this wrong? Why you are preaching this wrong? So Mahadev is saying that this is not my fault.
ভগবান আমাকে আদেশ দিলেন যে মহাদেব তুমি অসুর গণকে তুমি মোহিত করো
So Lord gave me this instruction that
তুমি প্রচার করো
you should attract the people. You should say by saying Aham Brahmasmi.
সর্বং খলিদং ব্রহ্ম তত্ত্বমসি এই যে বেদের যে
In the Vedas,
বাক্যগুলো রয়েছে
there are many things mentioned.
প্রচার
You should preach them.
এই বাক্যগুলো বলা হয় আংশিক বাক্য
That is known as partial, not complete. That is partial.
এই বাক্যগুলো প্রচার করো
You should preach like this,
সেই জন্য ভগবানের ইচ্ছা
as per the desire of the Lord, as per the desire of the Lord, as per the instruction of the Lord. Mahadev is doing this preaching,
আমার একটি মহাদেব
and Mahadev is so humble.
সেই সম্পর্কে একটা সুন্দর কাহিনী আপনাদের শোনাচ্ছি
I'm going to tell you one story.
আপনারা জানেন
This is mentioned in the scripture.
তিনি হলেন গৃহ বাড়ি তৈরি করেন
Mahadev is never making his house. So wherever you will be able to see the temple of Mahadev, that is very simple temple. Mahadev, where he is staying? He is staying in Kailash, where all around his eyes, with his wife Parvati. After the marriage, Devi Parvati, when she came, she asked to her husband, please make one house for me. After the marriage, need one house. Brahmachari can stay anywhere, can take bath anywhere. I have seen with my own eyes. When we came in the temple, we were sleeping in the Natya Mandir, the main hall. And before Mangalarti, and after Mangalarti, we were keeping our things in the Natya Mandir only, in the main hall. No facilities was there. Mud. When I came here before, there was a big place here, only empty place, and now I can see so beautiful temple they have constructed, so beautiful gate, marble and stones are there. That's why I'm saying. Devi Parvati asked to oh my husband, you get married to me. You can stay anywhere, but I am women. So women, they have shame. See, they have shyness. So they need home. They need proper place to stay. At least for taking bath. At least we need bathroom for taking a bath. So mother is saying, okay, tomorrow, day after tomorrow I will do. I don't have time. Because he's always absorbed in the Lord's qualities, these forms. He's already absorbed in the Harikatha. When again and again Devi Parvati said, so Mahadev, what he did, he bring 4 pieces of ice There is outside there is a big pieces of ice. So Mahadev what he did, he bring big pieces of ice and he covered from four sides. So this is only house for you. And when sunlight came and then it, that ice gets melted. Where is the house now? What should I do? Bringing that stone, marble, I don't have time to construct that house. One day, Mahadev's one very dearmost disciple came. I'm not telling my own. One, it is mentioned in the scriptures. The Shiv Bhakta, they are always very wealthy person, and who are Vishnu's disciple, devotee, they are always very poor. Who are worshipping Shivji, they are always rich person, and who are the devotee of Vishnu, they are always poor. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, in the scriptures, it is mentioned. I'm not saying by my own thinking. It's why Shivji, he's not wearing proper clothes. He's wearing the skin of the animals. He's not wearing any type of ornaments. He is keeping the ashes on his body. And the persons who worship Shivji, they are always wealthy. And Lord Vishnu, he is capable to give everything. He is the owner of Vaikunth, whose wife name is Lakshmi. That is known as Lakshmi Pati, husband of Lakshmi ji. And the person and the devotee of Vishnu, they are always poor. Why? You can also see, wherever you will see, the Shivji temple is very simple. No ornaments. But the Vishnu temples, they are so beautiful, decorating very nicely, big temples. They are decorating Vishnu ji and Lakshmi ji very beautifully. And Shivji, very simple. People are only offering bel patta, bel leaf, and this Ganga Jal, Dhatura flower, and Ganga Jal, and bel patta. Om Namah Shivaya. And Lord Vishnu temple, the Vishnu is covered decorated very nicely. That's why I'm saying. So there was one very wealthy devotee of Shivji. The name was Dhan Kuber. The most wealthy person of heavenly planet is Dhan Kuber. There is one story that Dhan Kuber was very poor person. He was thief. Who was he? He was thief. He was stealing. He was not able to take care of his family, so he started stealing. So one day what happened on Shiv Chaturdashi, he was not able to steal anything, not able to find anything. So people, they completed their worship and they went back to their house. And that person, the Dhan Kuber, then he entered the temple. There was a pot. And drop by drop it was coming on the top of Shivji. So he started thinking, I didn't get anything today. I was not able to steal today. there was a brass pot was there. So what he did, he put his feet on the Shivji, and he was trying to take out that brass pot. And Shivji said, till now, today is my birthday. Many people offered me today flowers, bay leaf, fruits, Ganga Jal. But nobody have offered themselves to me. But you are offering yourself to me. So that's why Shivji appeared in front of that person. So Shivji ask me any benediction. So he said that I am very poor person. So Shivji said, okay, I make you treasurer of heavenly planets. Now you will be cashier of Maharaji is Dhanaraksha, treasurer of IGVT. All the money is coming to him. Kuch Prashant Maharaj. So today is appearance day of Shivji. One day a girl, she got this bill, and she don't understand how to break it, and she saw that okay, there is Shivji, so she break on the Shivling, and then she mentioned that you should offer bay leaf, you should offer Ganga leaf. This is very dearmost to Shivji. You can offer milk and anything, but Shivji will be not happy. Bel patta, bay leaves, three leaves, bay leaf and Ganga Jal. Just if you will offer, and Shivji will say, ask me any benediction, ask me any benediction. You understand? Bay leaf. So you should offer the bail to the Shivji. So this Dhan Kuber is the wealthiest devotee of Shivji. So he came to Kailash. So Shivji was out for some work. So Parvati said that it's very long time I got married, but he doesn't constructed any house for me. I'm requesting him again and again to make one house for me. But what he did, he just constructed the house with 4 big pieces of ice, and then when the sunlight came and the ice melted, so now no house. So Parvati ji requested to Dhan Kuber, can you please construct one house for me? So Dhan Kuber said, I have this desire that I want to serve you by the mercy of Mahadev, by the mercy of Parvati. I have got so much money. I want to use this money for your service. Whatever I have got, all that money, wealth, because of you, I want to give this for your service. Like this Jayadev Prabhu, by the mercy of the Lord, he got the money or not? In his previous birth, he got Sukriti because of his pious activities in previous birth. And by the blessings of the Guru, he got the money. And what he did with the money, he constructed so big temple. Clap for him. That's why I'm saying.
धनन कुबेर बोले,
Then Kuber said,
धनन कुबेर बोले माँ,
then Kuber said, "Oh my mother,
আমি তোমার জন্য বিশ্বের মধ্যে যত সুন্দর মন্দির রয়েছে,
wherever
বিহার রয়েছে,
among all the temples, beautiful temple in this world, in this universe, I will make the best. I will make the best temple for you." So what Dhankuber did? I'm telling from Shivpura. He constructed very beautiful temple for Mahadev and Parvati for staying of Mahadev and Parvati. He constructed so beautiful and big temple. And when the temple was made, in the scriptures it is mentioned, you should install the temple first. You should call the Brahmins. There should be fire sacrifice first. You understand? You should not do fire sacrifice with any person. The person you should call the knowledgeable, the qualified Brahmins. Shivji start thinking, so beautiful temple has created. How to get the Brahman now? Who is the topmost Brahman in this universe? Who is the topmost Brahman? That is Ravan. Ravan is very qualified Brahman. We are saying Ravan that he is demon. Because of bad association, he become demon. But Ravan was very qualified, very knowledgeable Brahman. He was following all the rules and regulations. Ravan was not ordinary person. He was doing Ved Stuti. You can see in television. You can watch in the television. He was doing Stuti of Shivji, and that time Shivji himself, he appeared and he started dancing. Ravan, he made that he was doing Shiv Stuti that is so beautiful. But in the Ravan, there was no humbleness in the Ravan. This was the only disquality in the Ravan. Ravan, he will never bow down in front of anyone. He accepted Shivji as his guru, but whenever he was coming in Kailash, he was never bowing down. One day Mahadev and Shivji was sitting and they feel earthquake came. 9.8. They feel that earthquake came. Then Devi Parvati asked, how possible like suddenly this earthquake came? So then Shivji said, Devi Parvati, oh my devotee came, my disciple came. Oh Ravan. Why? Ravan never bow down. Ravan what he is doing? He is keeping the Kailash on the top and he is keeping on his head. And then he is dancing, keeping the Kailash in his hand. Ravan is dancing. Ravan was so strong person. Who was the most qualified Brahman that time? That was Ravan. So Shivji called to the Ravan. So we want to enter the house. I request you to do the fire sacrifice. Ravan what he did? He did fire sacrifice for how long? For 1 month. How long we are doing fire sacrifice for inauguration of the house? 3 days maximum. Not more than that. But Ravan, for how long he did fire sacrifice? 1 month. There was a very big Agni Kund for doing fire sacrifice.
स्वाहा
Swaha.
स्वाहा ओम इंद्राय स्वाहा ओम वरुणाय स्वाहा ঠিক আছে আমাদের বৈষ্ণব মতে আমরা কাজ করি বিষ্ণু আর বিষ্ণু গণেশ মন্ত্র
We are doing mantras of Vishnu mantra.
তারা হচ্ছে
The Samarth Brahman,
দেবীর নাম নিয়ে বা মন্ত্র দিয়ে সেখানে
they are doing ahuti by calling the name of the demigods, and the Vaishnavas, they are doing the ahuti. They are offering,
আবার করে
calling the name of Vaishnavas. We just now did fire sacrifice.
ओम कृष्णाय स्वाहा ओम शरणाय स्वाहा ओम शरणाय स्वाहा এখন রাবণ এইভাবে এক মাস কতদিন
Ravan, he did fire sacrifice for 1 month.
হয়ে যাওয়ার পর গৃহ প্রবেশ করতে যাবেন দেবী আর পার্বতী এই দেবী পার্বতী আর মহাদেব
When they are about to enter the house,
নিয়ে মাথায় নিয়ে এখন গৃহ প্রবেশ করতে যাবেন
now they were about to enter the house.
প্রবেশ করার সময়
At the time of entering the house, there is one rule, one ritual. Purnahuti was done. When they were, so when you are entering the house, you should give some donation to the Brahmins. If you will not give donation to the Brahman, then you will not get the fruit of the fire sacrifice. This is mentioned in the scriptures.
এখন রাবণকে দক্ষিণা দিবে এখন দেবী শিবজি বলছেন
Shivji said, "O Devi Parvati,
তোমার কাছে কিছু পয়সা আছে
do you have any money with you?
এখন ব্রাহ্মণকে দক্ষিণা দিলে
We should give donation to the Brahman."
কথা বলে না ব্রাহ্মণ বৈষ্ণব
Brahman, Vaishnav,
দক্ষিণা পেলে যান ওই পূর্বজিকার মধ্যে লেখা আছে দেখবে বেনি মাধবে
in Venimata,
পূর্বজিকায় লেখা আছে
in Panjika mentioned, Vaman, Vaishnav, Ban,
ব্রাহ্মণ বৈষ্ণব পান দক্ষিণা পেলে যান পান মানে প্রণাম
Banna,
ब्राह्मण वैष्णव पान दक्षिणा पेले जान जाक नामी करो ब्राह्मण ब्राह्मण के
Brahman, Vaishnav,
আর পান মানে
huh?
বর্ণা পান দক্ষিণ থেকে যদি আলাপ করতে শুরু করে তাদের
Wind, wind. Hmm. So that's why it is mentioned in the scriptures. हाँ, हाँ। अच्छा। So we should give donation. So some people are asking, you are sadhu, why you are asking about the money? So I am saying, if you will not give donation, you will not get the fruit. I don't have children to that I want to get them married. So I am saying this for you. If you will give, then that will be used for Govind's service. If you don't want to give, no problem. But I should tell the words of scriptures. If you want to give, okay. Not to want to give, no problem. I am sadhu. My Gurudev used to say. There are 2 types of rice. One is atap rice. इधर आ जा, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. कारा क्या मतलब हुआ? काड़ा और अकाड़ा. इधर पास आ जाना, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. अकाड़ा और अकाड़ा मतलब बोल. सत्य. There are 2 types of rice. One is not properly cooked and one is cooked rice. Properly cooked rice. You should know this. My Gurudev used to tell. Sadhu is kada or akada?
যা দিয়ে তারা
Whatever you will give to the sadhu, they will accept.
আর যারা ভিড়ের মধ্যে রয়েছে তারা ওই আতর সাধু তারা করে দিয়ে দিচ্ছে। আর সাধু যে যা যা খাবে খাওয়া খাওয়া যাবে সেটা নিচাই করে যা পাবে। এখন কথার মধ্যে আছে
Acha. So when you are serving to the deities in your house, you should serve them nice prasadam.
সব সমাপ্ত হয়ে গিয়েছে, এখন তো দান তো না দাদা।
So now Ravan said that okay, now your 5 sacrifice is done. So now you should give some donation. So Mahadev asked to Parvati, give me some money. I have to give to the Ravan. So Mahadev said that I don't have money. You don't have money. How to give? How to give money to the Brahman and how to enter the house? Then what should I do?
শিবজি কি বললেন না?
Shivji what he said.
এখন তোমাকে আমি দক্ষিণা দিচ্ছি, কি দক্ষিণা?
So-
এই গৃহ মন্দিরটা তোমাকে আমি
So Mahadev said that okay, I give you donation. You take this house. I give you donation as this house.
মহাদেব এবং দা
Mahadev is so udar.
যে দেবী পার্বতী ধর্মের দ্বারা তো বিশাল বাড়ি বা সমুদ্র
Mahadev has so big heart. He gave the
শিবজি গৃহ প্রবেশের সময় কি করলেন?
so because Mahadev he don't have money, don't have anything to give donation. So he gave the house, which was he did the 5 sacrifice.
কথা প্রশ্ন করি বলতা প্যার লাল এই যে মহাদেব এখন আমাদের
So Mahadev is very udar, very big hearted.
बहुत सुंदर অনেক অনেক কথা রয়েছে।
There are many stories.
আমি যদি আবার বিকালে দিকে কথা ভাগবত কথা আবার আজকে নগর সংকীর্তন
Today will be Nagar Sankirtan in Sundarban.
এত সুন্দর রয়েছে কি তত্ত্ব সিদ্ধান্ত
There are so many glorification of Mahadev.
মহাদেব ছাড়া আমাদের কেউ গতি নেই।
We should listen about Mahadev. If they
আমার এক তরফ একদিকে তিনি রস সিদ্ধান্তের উপস্থিত মহাদেব
he is in the Madhuri Bag, he is Gopeshwar Mahadev.
তার পাওয়ে তিনি সর্ব
He is a god of Lord. If you will go to Vrindavan,
চারদিকে চার মহাদেব রয়েছে।
there are in 4 sides there.
চারদিকে চার মহাদেব রয়েছে।
In Mathura there is Bhuteshwar, Rangeshwar, Gokarneshwar,
আর পিপলেশ্বর
Pipaleshwar. There are four Mahadev. They are the gods of Dham.
মহাদেব
In Vrindavan, Gopeshwar Mahadev, Tankandi Mahadev, Chakle-
পিপলেশ্বর মহাদেব রয়েছে।
Chakleshwar is in Govardhan.
বৃন্দাবন
In Vrindavan.
সনাতন গোস্বামী
Sanatan Goswami.
এই মহাদেব শিবজি এত মিত্রতা
Mahadev has so friendly relationship with Sanatan Goswami.
রয়েছে।
This is mentioned in Brihad Bhagavatamritam.
মহাদেবকে কিভাবে বর্ণনা করা হয়েছে সেখানে। আমরা যে আজকে যে আমরা যে ব্রত রেখেছি
This fast we are observing fast for Gopeshwar Mahadev.
এই জন্য গোবিন্দ মহাদেবের প্রণাম মন্ত্র কি
What is the pranam mantra of Gopeshwar? Pranam.
Gopeeshwar Mahadev
Gopeshwar Mahadev is not ordinary. One day he is a very rasik. He There is he entered the Rasasthalli. How he entered the Rasasila? It is very beautiful story. One day Mahadev requested to Purnamasi, I want to enter Krishna's Rasa Leela. I want to take the darshan of Rasa Leela. Purnamasi said, this is impossible. only gopis they can enter the Rasa Leela. So Mahadev told to Purnamasi, please give mercy to me. I want to take the darshan of Rasa Leela of Krishna. So Purnamasi in Brahmakund he put the face of the he entered the body of the Mahadev in the water, and then the Mahadev get the body of the gopi, and Mahadev was in the Rasa Leela. He was sitting at the corner when Krishna he started playing the flute. All the gopis they appeared there, they came there, and all the gopis were present there. And Krishna was silent at that time. Gopis said, "Oh, time is passing. Why you are not playing flute? We will dance." So gopis are saying, every day you are playing flute and you are dancing, we are dancing. Why you are silent today? Please play the flute. So Krishna said, today I feel there is the person. There is some person who don't belongs to this Rasa Leela. Unqualified person have entered the Rasa Leela. So Gopi said that no, we are the same. Yamuna ji is here. We gopis are same. We are the same gopis. You call to us. Nobody. You have called to us. We are only here. Now it's almost evening. Krishna said, no, there is one unqualified person have entered. You search, you find that person who don't have qualification. Krishna, when he said like this, then all the gopis, they start searching. Each and every corner they were searching. Who is unqualified person entered in the Rasa Leela, and searching in the Ishan Kon. One young girl was sitting there. Then gopis asked them, "Oh, from where you have came? And what is your name? Tell me your name." So when we are meeting with someone, we are asking what's your name. So the gopis are asking, "Oh Lali, what is your name?" In Braj, they are asking the name like Lali. From which village you came? What is your name? What is the name of your son-in-law? What is your name of mother-in-law? What is the name of your husband? Purnamasi Devi, she just dipped Mahadev in the Brahmakund. So the gopis understood, oh, this is the unqualified person. So the gopis, they start punching on the face of the Mahadev, and he start crying. So Purnamasi Devi, she appeared there and she said, oh, this is Mahadev. So Lord Krishna said that, see, there are some rules for entering the Rasa Leela. You should take birth. You should take birth in the womb of gopis. You should get the body of gopis. You should get married to the Gopa, and then
एकादश भाग पंचदश
21 rules are there.
এখন কি করলেন কৃষ্ণ তাকে বললেন তুমি আমার এই বাইরে থাকো
So
আর তোমার
Krishna said that you please stay outside the Rasalila. You become the gatekeeper of the Rasalila. Gatekeeper of the Ras.
তোমার পারমিশন নিতে
So whosoever wants to enter the Rasalila, they will first take yours permission. So in the if you will go to the Vrindavan, there is a Rasa
আগে
Sthala.
কাজ দর্শন করতে হবে
First you have to take the darshan of Gopeshwar Mahadev.
মহাদেব পরিক্রমা করতে হবে সেখানে
You should take the
স্নান করাতে হয়
you should take the darshan of Gopeshwar Mahadev. You should offer garland, bay leaf, Gangaji.
তবে
You should do parikrama, and then you should enter the Vrindavan.
बिहारी जी की
मुझे लगता है 11 होता है क्योंकि एक
जसमती
तकलीफों वाली
ब्रज